Hi, for this project we are going to be using tempera paint in primary colors with black and white, my shade intent, and we are going to create 100 different colors using color mixing. My white's over here, my black's here, I have yellow and blue and red, and we are going to start wherever we want, however we want, but we need to have every square be a different color. I'm going to start off with just pure red, and I'm going to start here in the corner, and I'm going to paint this entire square red. It's going to get on your table a little bit. I want you to get as close to that line as you can. You can even overlap the line a little bit because I don't want to see these lines when I'm all done. Then I'm going to have to change to a different color, so I'm going to add a tiny bit of white to my red. So I'm going to put a little red up here on my palette. Rinse Mr. Brush really good because we don't want to mix our colors in our source. I'm going to grab a little bit of white and I'm going to add a tiny dab of white to my red to change it. And what I'm going to get is a lighter red. Now we're just barely changing the color. It's just a little bit lighter than it was before. And we're going to do this, keep adding white to it to change the tint of this, okay? I'm going to go right next to the color I had before. Try to get as close as I can to that line. There's color number 2. I'm going to add a little bit more white. Mixing it really, really well. Here's color number 3. Now we learned about color mixing on our practice day when we were learning about color, and our primary colors are red, blue, and yellow, and with those 3 colors we can make any other color on the color wheel. Adding white and black to it changes it also, and everyone's going to have one of these at their table, this color wheel guide. It's going to help you to see what color, if I have orange and I add yellow, what it's going to look like. These are really handy tools to help us with this project. In the end, I'm going to have a really cool abstract art that everyone's is going to be different. So right now I'm choosing to start with red. You can start in the middle and you can start with any color you want. You can try to create a design in there, maybe try to write your name first and then go around it with other colors. It's up to you, but the goal of this is to create and color mix 100 different colors using our primary colors to mix and black and white. And as I get further along with this, I will show you what it's looking like. But right now I'm just adding a little bit of tint to my white to my red to change the color, and I'm moving across my page. I'll come around and see how you're doing, and if you have any questions, please raise your hand. I'll be right there.